Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this 4MCAD training course, and the topic for today will be the layouts for printing. So understanding a little layout views, but speaking first about printing. As you know, we've been working mainly in this model tab or model environment. So what we draw here, if we draw a couple of entities, we can plot from this environment. So if we go to File, Plot, then we get this big dialog box where we can manage all printing settings, which we are going to see also in our next lesson. But besides this possibility to print here, we have a different environment called layout views, which are under here, and allow the user to, from one single drawing that is created in this model tab, we can have multiple layout views. So I can go here and click layout. In this layout, I can put a definition for a certain type of definition for printing. So in practical terms, I can have several layouts, each one of these layouts having a different setting for an example for different customers. So these layouts, to create new ones, simply here and make new one, or you can come here and do a rename, so you can give whatever you want. So it's very easy. And if you want to delete one, go here, delete it. So I think it's very simple. So the idea now is create entities in model size, go to layout, and then you can create inside this layout these arrangements. Besides the arrangements, we can draw, but creating what we call a viewport to define this setting. So view, then we can go to floating viewports. We can have different definitions. I will say only one viewport. I will create one window, and as you can see, I'm seeing here what I have inside the model view. But this has a special particularity, which is this is not a rectangle. This is, if I click twice, this is a viewport. So if I click inside twice, you see that it was highlighted, and now I'm rotating with my mouse wheel, so I can put the scale or what I'm seeing where I want. Okay, clicking outside twice, it will deselect the window, and I can grab it and move it around. Okay, easy. And when it's not selected, I can draw independent. Okay, no big issues, because this is also a drawing environment, and I can create multiple possibilities here, multiple viewports with different arrangements. So this is the concept behind the layouts. Okay, and I can make this same definition for different layouts. So this is a kind of a preparation for printing. I can do something a little different also, having another object, in this particular case a circle. And if I go again, view, floating viewports, one viewport, and then instead of creating a rectangle, I can choose, you see, one of these entities here called entity, so E, and this one, and you see now this circle is also a viewport. Okay, that I have where I have the same possibilities as the other objects. Resuming, so layout views are a special way where we can make an arrangement thinking in printing or plotting, and having as objects what we have in model tab. So we can have how many layouts we want, and we can make any definition we want.